Welcome to today's episode, an exciting deep dive into one of the most critical and lesser known aspects of AI, inference engines. This topic is often overlooked, but understanding it is essential to grasp how AI truly functions beyond the training phase.
Absolutely. Most of the spotlight in AI discussions tends to fall on models, data, and training. But inference is where the magic happens. It's what turns those models into actionable results. If you understand inference, you're essentially unlocking how AI operates in the real world.
Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an inference engine? At its core, it's the system that takes an input, runs the AI model, and delivers the output. It's like the bridge between the user's query and the AI's decision-making process.
That's right. Think of it this way. When you interact with an AI, say, you ask a chatbot a question, the inference engine steps in. It receives your input, processes it, passes it to the model, evaluates the model's responses, selects the best output, and then delivers it back as a formatted response. That entire pipeline is the inference engine at work. Simple yet powerful.
To make it even clearer, let's use an analogy. If the AI model is like the brain that does the thinking, the inference engine is the body and nervous system that make those thoughts actionable. You could have the smartest brain in the world, but without a body to act, the intelligence isn't very useful.
Exactly, and that's why the inference engine is so vital. It converts the AI's theoretical capabilities into practical outcomes. Without it, your cutting-edge AI model would just sit idle, disconnected from the real world.
Here's where it gets interesting. A common misconception is conflating training with inference. Training is the phase where the model learns patterns and builds its capabilities. It's data heavy, slow, and happens only once. In contrast, inference is the phase where the AI gets to work, processing inputs in real time and producing meaningful results.
That's a key distinction. Training is about preparing the AI for its job, but inference is the ongoing process of actually doing the job. You could say training builds the intelligence, while inference delivers the value. Most of what we interact with in AI, from chatbots to recommendation systems, is all inference in action.
Let's unpack the components of an inference engine. There are 6 key parts: the input handler, model interface, compute layer, optimization layer, output processor, and delivery system. Each plays a unique role in ensuring seamless AI interactions.
For instance, the input handler cleans and formats the user's query before passing it to the model interface, which connects the engine to the AI model. The compute layer, powered by CPUs, GPUs, or TPUs, executes operations, while the optimization layer improves speed and reduces costs. The output processor organizes the response, and the delivery system sends the final output back to the user. It's a well-oiled machine.
And that machine depends heavily on cutting-edge technologies. Hardware like CPUs handles general tasks, GPUs excel at parallel processing, and TPUs are optimized for AI workloads. On the software side, frameworks like TensorRT, TensorFlow Serving, and ONNX Runtime play a major role. Even cloud platforms and edge AI devices contribute significantly to inference ecosystems.
Right. And APIs tie it all together by connecting the user's query to the model and delivering the output. This technological integration is what transforms AI into a scalable, practical tool that businesses and individuals use every day.
Speaking of scalability, optimization techniques are key to ensuring that inference engines are fast, efficient, and able to handle massive workloads. Techniques like quantization reduce precision for faster computations, while pruning removes unnecessary weights from the model.
And let's not forget batching, which processes multiple queries simultaneously, and caching, which stores frequent responses for reuse. These methods are all about reducing cost and increasing efficiency, a crucial balance when millions of users are relying on AI-powered systems.
Let's pivot to real-world applications. Inference engines are literally everywhere, from chatbots like ChatGPT to recommendation systems on Amazon and Netflix. They're also pivotal in autonomous systems like self-driving cars and healthcare AI tools for diagnostic support.
And the prevalence of inference extends to everyday mobile apps. Take face recognition tools or voice assistants. Every time you interact with AI, Whether it's through your smartphone or a large-scale enterprise system, inference engines are the driving force behind the scenes.
With all this impact, scalability becomes a major challenge. AI inference needs to support millions of users with low latency and high availability, all while keeping costs under control. GPUs, which are often expensive, account for much of the computational burden associated with inference.
That's why optimization is critical. Industry leaders aren't just battling over who has the best models, they're competing to see who can deliver the most efficient inference systems. In many ways, the future of AI will revolve around improving inference, not training.
And speaking of the future, inference will continue moving towards smaller, more efficient models, real-time personalization, and edge AI solutions. We're talking about AI systems transitioning from being simple tools to more autonomous workflows. Imagine AI agents performing continuous inference and proactively solving problems without waiting for user input.
It's an exciting direction, and one that will define the next era of artificial intelligence. At its heart, modern AI is about accomplishing tasks efficiently, and inference engines play an indispensable role in that journey.
Before we wrap up, let's revisit the core takeaway. AI isn't just about models, data, or training. It's about systems like inference engines that actually deliver outcomes. Understanding this concept is vital to leveraging AI's full potential.
Absolutely, and if you get it right, inference isn't just about using AI. It's about accomplishing with AI, seamlessly integrating intelligence into action. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next episode.